The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGig webinar series, our endeavor to empower techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is Features of iOS 7. And our guest speaker today is Rajesh CV. He's the lead trainer at Steyr. Rajesh has more than 3 years of experience as an Apple certified trainer at Steyr Learning, delivering training on Mac OS X and iOS development courses. Possesses comprehensive knowledge about the Mac OS and iOS development. Skilled in training individuals and corporates and possess sound technical skills. So without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker. Over to you, Rajesh.
Yes. Good evening, everyone. And TechGig, thanks a lot for this opportunity. So today I'm going to present on features of iOS 7. So before we dive into features of iOS 7, what is iOS? So iOS stands for iPhone operating system. So it is a mobile operating system which was launched by Apple. And iOS 7 is the 7th major release of the mobile operating system designed by Apple. So when was it released? It was announced at company's WWDC conference on June 10, 2013 and was released, finally made public on September 18, 2013. So now question about how much does it cost to be an iOS developer, that is an individual or enterprise. Now for this, Apple has got a couple of developer programs. This is as follows. iOS developer program, that is for an individual, so you need to pay $99 per year. And with this, he can actually create an app, he can actually test the app on the device, and also he can post this app on the App Store. The other one is iOS developer program for a company, that is $99 again per year, and here the team can develop an app, they can test the app on the device, as well as they can distribute it to the App Store. Now the other one, for this you require a DNS number. Okay. The other one is iOS developer program for the enterprise, that's $299 per year. And here the company can create a proprietary app that is called, so-called as in-house app, and for this again they would require a DNS number. But only thing that they can't do here is they cannot put it onto the App Store. And the final one is iOS developer program for the university. Now this is free for the college students where they can create the app, they can test the app on the device, but only thing they can distribute it internally onto the registered devices, or they can share the apps that would run on the registered devices, but they cannot put on the App Store. So these are the iOS developer programs that are available from Apple. Now a question about what devices are supported by iOS 7. Now for this, it supports right from iPhone 4, iPhone 4S, iPhone 5, and the latest iPhone 5s as well as iPhone 5C. And it also do support on from iPad 2, that is the second generation iPad, or the later one, or even the iPod touches from 4th generation or later. Now the topics that we're going to discuss in this webinar is visual design with respect to iOS 7, enhancement and deprecations, new features, and finally the hidden gems on iOS 7 development. So as we all know, iOS 7 was a major release